Hi there.
Hi.
You ready to do some math?
Ooh, yeah.
Okay, so we have a problem here. 527 divided by 4. Okay? Now, the very first thing I want you to do is you're going to come up with a story problem that represents 527 divided by 4. You can use anything you want. If you want to use cats and dogs or stickers or whatever you want for the subject of your story problem is fine, but I want you to first tell me what the story problem is.
Okay, I think I have one.
You think you have one already?
Okay, so Tom earned $527 in 4 months. How much does he earn in 1 month?
Wow, Julie, that's a great story problem. Okay, so our 527 are going to be what?
Dollars.
Okay, why don't you put, do you know the dollar sign?
Yeah.
Can you write the dollar sign in front of the 527? Okay, and then the 4 is going to be what?
Months.
Can you write months after it or above it? That's fine. Okay, so we're going to start out. I know you know how to do it on paper, but I want you to start out with blocks. Okay?
This is going to be harder than I thought.
Can you try and show us what that would look like using blocks? Okay, here, let's just dump them all out because those hundreds are on the bottom.
Yay! Hundreds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 520. 1, 2, and then 7.
Okay. So now how would we show dividing by 4?
Okay, and so then we fill the rest of the board with 10. What?
Okay. Do you have 527?
Yes.
Okay. So now how do you show dividing that into 4?
Okay. So,
Do you want to start with hundreds or ones?
I think 100.
Okay.
Okay, so
So how many groups do we need?
we need 5 groups.
Is that what you're dividing by?
No, we're dividing by 4.
So how many groups do you need?
4.
Okay.
So I think that would be 150.
Well, start dividing blocks up and see what you get.
Okay. One.
Okay.
2, 3, 4.
Okay.
The red blocks are 100, just so you know.
Okay. All right, but you have 5 groups now.
No, this is not a group.
Oh, that's not a group. Okay.
Sorry. Okay.
You can't just throw this away. This is part of your original number. Okay? You can't just throw it away.
Sorry about that.
All right. So make your leftover pile. This is all you have left over, right? So what do you have left over right now that we haven't divided up?
We have 127.
Okay.
So.
Okay, that's interesting, but are all your groups the same? Are all your groups
No. Only these 2 are the same.
Okay, is that legal if you're dividing it into 4?
No.
No. All your groups have to be what if we're dividing?
The same.
The same. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, this is our leftover.
Okay.
How are we going to divide our leftovers into 4 equal groups?
I think I know what I'm going to do.
Okay.
Trade these 10s into 5s.
Are purples 5s? I thought like
No, there's 6.
Okay. Where's the 5s?
Light
There you go.
blues are 4.
There you go.
Caleb.
It's okay. Okay, good.
So then 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very nice.
Our leftover
Okay.
is 107 that we still haven't used yet.
Okay, now how can we divide those into 4s?
It's a hard question. I don't know.
Okay, what are we going to have to do with 100?
We're going to have to trade it in.
For what? What would be an easy thing to trade it in for?
20 maybe? Wait, there's 4 groups.
Okay, don't worry about how many groups. What's an easy thing to trade in 100 for? Look at your blocks. What could you easily trade in 100 for? Look at the blocks you have to trade. What could you easily trade the 100 for? Okay, how many of those would you need?
10.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, I'm going to put this back in your leftover pile.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, now you traded it in, so all of this goes back to the bank. Okay. Okay, good. Nice.
There.
Okay.
Now these are our leftovers.
Okay, now what are we going to do? How many leftovers do we have?
We have 27 again.
Oh, now what are we going to do?
Divide these in for 5s again.
Okay.
This is harder than I thought it is.
Okay, but you can't. Where'd your 7 go?
Right
You're
here.
not. Just leave it in your leftover pile. You're not trading it in yet. Okay, so we need 20 worth of 5s.
That would be 4 5s, but I don't have 4 5s.
Oh.
I could. No, that is not going to work. That's what I have. Maybe I could get 21s.
Okay, how about this? This is like a 5. You have a 2 and a 3.
Haha, you
And
just need to find some of those.
another 2 and a 3.
I need some more. One more, please. Wait. Okay, let's count.
No, put it
Five,
on. Put it on.
4. That's
Okay.
okay.
Okay, so now what do you have left over that you still need to divide up? Okay, no, you traded those. You can't
I have
just-
7 left.
Okay, stop.
Okay.
All right, so what are you going to do with that?
We're going to put it. We're going to divide it.
Okay, into what?
Twos.
Okay. Well, you're not going to have enough 2s now.
And maybe we get 2 1s and put them in together.
Okay, so that's 4.
6.
Okay, no, you had a 7.
Yeah,
you
now
get
we
it?
have 1 left over.
Okay, but you have to get. There you go. Do you have 7 1s now?
Yeah, I have 7.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, now how are you going to pass them out so you have equal?
You go like this.
Okay,
Just keep going around and around.
okay. Okay, but it didn't make it all the way around, right? So what's your leftover?
3.
Okay, set that down in your leftover pile.
This is hard.
Okay, so now it's time to figure out what we have in a group. What do we have in a group?
Okay, so 25 plus 5 is 30. Got 30. Can we trade that in for 30?
You can trade those in for 10.
Yeah.
No. We don't have a 30 block, honey. You can trade those in for a 10.
I'm
Okay.
trading it in. And then we have 31.
Okay, so what is it all together?
31 is how much
No.
I have. Oh, 31 times 4.
No. Julie, that pile is how many? It's not 31. There's another block that's not just the blue and the green.
Oh, sorry. 131.
131.
Now we have to do the trading
Just-
for all of the others.
Okay, that's fine.
So let's do this.
Caleb, don't put him in your mouth. Thank you.
There.
Okay, so in each group we have, sorry about that. Okay, it's Julie, calm down. It's okay. He's fine. He's fine. In each group we have what?
We have 130.
And we have what left over?
3. We have 3 left over.
Okay. Okay, sounds good.
I think we have our answer R3.
Okay, so what is our whole answer? Can you see the whole number? What would it be? So what is in each group?
131 remainder of 3, and that is our final answer. So our answer to the question is Tom saved $131 in a month.
Okay, now here's a challenge. Okay, so we have a remainder of 3, right? Okay, and we had how many groups?
We had 4.
Okay, so if you have $3 split across 4 groups, can you figure out what? Yeah. Can you figure out how many that would be? It'll be less than $1, so it would be in what units?
3 cents.
Okay, it's cents.
Cents.
Okay, if you have $1 and you split it into 4, you have what coin? What coin is 1/4 of $1?
You have a 24.
You're really close.
Quarter.
Yeah, quarter,
Quarter.
which is 25 cents.
25. Sorry about that.
That's okay. So, okay, you have 3, and then we have to divide it into 4. So 3/4 of $1 is what?
3/4 of $1 is.
If you have 3/4, how much money do you have?
Okay. You have. 75.
75 what?
75 cents.
Okay, so we have how many dollars?
131.
And how many cents?
75.
Okay, so can you write that maybe here? 100. Can you write the answer there that we figured out?
Okay.
So you can write equals.
Equals 131.
And then write the decimal point so that we know it's going to be cents.
75.
Okay, very good.
And then I put a $sign right there. You can see it?
Yeah, I got it.
There. Can you see it?
Okay, you wrote it over the 1. You need to still
What?
have it. You wrote $31.75.
Okay.
All right.
There.
Thank you.
Sorry about that.
That's right. Okay, now we're going to try and take a look at this with long division. Can you write it as a long division problem?
Like that. Okay, I think. Yeah.
Try over here.
Sorry.
It's okay. You're okay.
Okay.
All right.
1 times 4 is 4. Okay. 5 minus 4 is 1. Into 12.
Can you do the line to show what you're bringing down so we don't
Oh,
get confused?
sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, and then 12 is 4. That's 3 with 0 remaining.